Learn by code UMax. Today I'll teach you digital clock in Python. So before we start, I'll just tell you something about this. So you open Python idle and open new file, then new file available, then first pip install tkinter. Then you have to start before I'll just increase the size over here. No. Okay, so what should I do? We are making digital wall clock. Digital wall clock code in Python. So first you have to install pip, and then after you add some few header files from tkinter import star, then from tkinter.ttk I am import star. Now from time import strf time. So these three header files we have to import, and then after define a root and tk, and after that root dot tid, root dot title, and digi digital wall clock. Okay, so close. Then after that define a function. Okay, so dep keyword over here, we are time function we are creating, then string variable we are putting here strf string time, and set h for hour, and m for minute, and s for second. Okay, so minute before we have to put our here second, and then p is the parameter. Okay, now let string close, and then label dot config text is equals to string, then text close, and then put it over here, then label dot after 1000 seconds milliseconds and time, then let me guess label. Now label is equals to label. Now root, then font is equals to ds default font, ds digital, and size over here, then comma, background equals to blue, then foreground foreground is equals to green, and close, then label dot pack anchor equals to center, then time execute, then call main loop, and okay. Now before once you complete this code, you have to save this file, save digi digital.py. now then execute this file to control run command and run module. Now you can see this is the current date and time percentage. So guys, if you like this code, please subscribe my channel. Thank you, have a nice day, bye, see you.